Welcome to our Ice Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular nugget ice makers, the EASYERA and the Kismile. Both machines promise to deliver refreshing nugget ice right from your countertop, but which one is the better choice for your needs? Let's dive into the details and find out. When it comes to ice production capacity, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker takes the lead with an impressive output of 35 pounds of ice per day, compared to the EASYERA's 33 pounds. This slight difference might be crucial for larger gatherings or parties where ice is in high demand. In terms of speed, the EASYERA Nugget Ice Maker boasts a quicker first ice production time of just 5 minutes, while the Kismile takes 7 minutes. If you're in a hurry to enjoy your drinks, this could be a deciding factor for you. Finally, let's talk about price. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is more budget-friendly at $219, while the EASYERA is priced at $299. If you're looking for a more economical option without sacrificing too much quality, the Kismile might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the EASYERA and Kismile Nugget Ice Makers have their strengths. The Kismile offers a higher ice production capacity and a lower price, while the EASYERA provides faster ice production. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.